Welcome to the Theta Flex demo video. In this video, we'll take a closer look at the instrument hardware, One Attention software, how to set up a measurement, calibration procedures, and measuring with various methods. Attention Theta Flex is a high-end optical tensiometer designed for advanced wettability research. Offering the flexibility required for diverse research needs, it can measure surface and interfacial tension between fluids, contact angles between solid and liquids, and analyze surface free energy values. Theta Flex consists of a high-resolution camera, an LED light source to illuminate the drop, and a power button that also acts as an indicator light during measurement to provide information about the status of the instrument. The instrument can be configured based on your research needs. In this video, the instrument has an automated dispenser holder, an automated disposable tip dispenser, and an automated X stage allowing multiple contact angle measurements to be performed with one click of a button. Disposable tip dispensers are convenient as they allow you to quickly change from one liquid to another without the need for cleaning. All Attention optical tensiometers are operated through One Attention. One Attention software is all-inclusive, meaning that all the measurement modes are readily available without the need to purchase separate software modules. One Attention has unlimited licenses, allowing the installation of the software to multiple computers, and the regular software updates are free of charge. With Theta Flex, you can measure contact angles by using a sessile drop or batch measurement, surface tension with pendant drop measurement, contact angle of thin objects with meniscus measurement, and advancing and receding contact angles with dynamic contact angle measurement. Setting up the measurement is fast and simple. Add the disposable tip to the dispenser. Fill the dispenser by placing a beaker with the liquid underneath and press the fill button on One Attention software. Before the measurement is started, you should calibrate the image. Calibration is done to determine the size of the pixel in the image and is dependent on the zoom level. Calibration is easy and can be performed in a few minutes. Start by bringing the calibration ball into the image. With the help of the focus tool, focus the image. Then press calibrate and the calibration is automatically done. To measure the contact angle, open the sessile drop measurement. Each measurement type has a default recipe, which is a good starting point for your experiments. Typical changes in the recipe could be, for example, drop size and recording time, which are dependent on the sample and liquid used. In this example, we use water as a measurement liquid. The measurement can then be started by clicking the Start button. Volume from image functionality will determine the drop volume, making sure that the dispensed volume is always the same. The droplet is automatically placed on the sample surface and the contact angle is recorded. In the analysis side, the images are analyzed and graphs such as contact angle as a function of time can be plotted. All the data points can be exported as Excel or CSV files. It's also possible to generate PDF reports. Temperature chambers are integrated with the One Attention software, enabling you to set and monitor temperatures throughout your measurement. Batch measurement mode is a contact angle measurement meant for quality control or with samples where analysis of the contact angle as a function of time is not needed. With batch measurement, it's possible to quickly measure and analyze several sample points on one sample, but also do the same for multiple samples in a row. In the recipe, the time points at which the measurements are taken are set. In this example, the time points are 1, 3, and 5 seconds. The number of measurement points per sample can also be set. Here, this is set to 3. When the measurement is started, the software will conduct the number of measurements specified in the recipe. The analysis is done live, which allows the results to be presented directly in a table format. After the 3 measurement points, the software will automatically ask the user to change the sample or end the batch. In case more samples need to be measured, change the sample and press OK on the screen. New set of measurements are now automatically conducted. Surface free energy is the property of the solid, and it's calculated through contact angle measurement. To calculate surface free energy, you need to measure the contact angle with at least 2 different probe liquids, most commonly water and diiodomethane. Open the SSL drop measurement. Make the contact angle measurements with water first. As X stage is connected, we can program the measurement so that several points are automatically measured. After the water measurements are done, it is easy to change the liquid to diiodomethane thanks to the disposable tip dispenser. If the third probe liquid is used, change the tip again and perform the measurements. After the measurements are completed, the results are analyzed in the analysis side and the files can be combined to an SFE measurement file. The software will now calculate the surface free energy of the solid based on the most common SFE theories. Pendant drop measurements are used to determine the surface tension of the liquid. Open the pendant drop measurement. The default recipe is a good starting point for the experiments. The drop volume needs to be considered as the droplet should be large enough to gain reliable surface tension reading. The maximum volume of the drop is dependent of the size of the tip used, as well as surface tension of the liquid. The correct volume for your solution can be found by testing. When the target volume is known, the measurement is extremely straightforward as the measurement is conducted automatically by click of a start button. Meniscus measurement can be used to measure contact angles of thin objects. In the measurement, the object is immersed in a liquid, typically water. A meniscus is formed and contact angle is measured by the software. Meniscus measurement is limited to samples with contact angles below 90 degrees. Advancing and receding contact angles can be easily measured with the automated dynamic contact angle method. An initial drop can be created and placed on the surface. The needle is then brought very close to the surface and in the middle of the drop. The measurement is fully automated as advancing and receding times, as well as dispense and liquid withdrawal rates, can be separately set in the recipe. After the measurement is started, the full cycle is conducted. The data is plotted live with contact angle on the y-axis and baseline width on the x-axis. On the analysis side, the advancing and receding contact angles are automatically calculated from the measurement plot. Theta Flex will grow with your research needs. You can upgrade the instrument with up to 4 disposable tip dispenser, allowing you to use multiple liquids at the same time. Combine that with the automated XYZ stage for full mapping of the sample surface. In addition, Theta Flex can be equipped with multiple modules. Tilting cradle can be used to determine advancing and receding contact angles, as well as contact angle hysteresis and roll-off angles. Topography module allows calculation of roughness corrected contact angles. Pulsating drop module is used to study interfacial elasticity and viscosity of the monolayers at air-liquid or liquid-liquid interfaces. Theta high pressure is a special tool where surface tension and contact angle measurements can be done at high pressures and elevated temperatures. Thank you for watching this demo video. For more information on Attention Theta Flex, please visit our website.